What is good, YouTube? It's Jay. I'm back again with a video, but I'm by myself today. When I'm by myself, when you know it's gonna get real, I'm pulling my first prank on Shay. It's gonna be an epic prank, so I need everyone to hit the bell, stay notified whenever we post, because we're gonna be posting a lot more lately. We're gonna be posting a lot of challenges, more vlogs. Since she wanna start these pranks, I'm gonna keep it going and I'm gonna keep the pranks going. So yeah, man, hit the bell, smash the like button right now. So yeah, so today I'm doing a coughing up blood prank on my girlfriend. Basically, I got a fake towel with blood on it, with flake blood, and I'm gonna act like I can't breathe or whatever, or have stomach pain and cry. So yeah, man, hopefully I get a good reaction. I need everyone to stay tuned, subscribe, like, leave any comments down below. But let me show y'all what the towel look like real quick before we go set up. This is what it is. This is how it look. This is how it's gonna look. I know it looks real, right? I'm gonna be like, I don't know. I'm about to get in my acting mode and I don't know. We gonna see what's going. See how it plays out. Hopefully, it's a great reaction. Since she pulled a prank on me before, it's gonna be down below if you haven't watched it yet. So yeah, man.
Your car?
Yeah, for no reason.
Hi. You took your whole bowl and everything?
What was in that? What was in that?
Cheeseburger.
What you was doing?
You didn't take the food?
I ain't even eat yet.
Remember I just ate the beans just now? My tongue felt as if it's cold.
Why?
Because of the baby.
We're head challenge.
Yeah.
I don't want to eat yet.
Why?
I don't know. My chest hurts.
Why? How good?
It was awful.
Why?
I've been having chest pains all day.
Because you're hungry?
No, I have chest pains because I'm hungry. I can't breathe myself.
You can't do that. Makes sense.
You studied already?
Yeah, I'm gonna study like more after a shower and everything.
You got a shower? Huh?
Maybe.
When I leave? Huh?
What? That's not stupid questions.
Damn, did I just say my chest hurt? Oh, you all up on me.
What the heck with your arm?
You got a rag in here somewhere.
Was she so hyper?
I don't know, but she just fell. What are you doing?
You good, nigga?
Oh, shit, yeah.
I'm being weird.
Shut up.
Bella. are you doing?
What the? What?
You're tweaking.
How? How am I tweaking?
What the hell's wrong with you?
I've been coughing all day. What?
Bella, what's wrong with him?
Bella she already knew something was wrong with me today.
Go clean her poop. What's wrong with him? You would have thought. You would have thought.
How did you see the camera?
Cause babe, you're not slick with it. Catch you with the pranks, man. Team Shay.
Oh my gosh. You already know, but I be trying to prank you.
No, I know, cause when I first came in, I seen it. That's how I was like.
Wait, you seen what?
No, cause the way how you were acting, babe. Like.
How was I acting?
Just sus. I know you.
Oh God. What a fail.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's still Team J. I don't care what you say.
It's okay. You're good.
I'm so mad right now. She's laying on her poop. Yo, that was such a fail, bro. What you gotta say?
Team Shayna.
Fuck out of here.
Nice hiding spot, though.
Alright, man. There you had it. That was a fail. A huge fail, man. Right, babe? That was a fail. You already know what was going on. You already knew what was going on.
Well, I didn't know.
Well, she didn't know.
He was acting sus. So
It's probably because of the way I was acting. I don't know, man. It would have been a good prank, though.
I know him
It would
like this.
have been a good prank, man.
Back
Look,
of my
I
hand.
got the blood on my hands and everything. Look.
Where'd you get that from?
What?
What's on it?
I can't breathe.
Let me
Tight
see.
shit. Don't touch it. It's going to stain your hands. But there
is
you
that?
have it, man.
What is it?
I tried to prank her. It was a fail. Stay
What is
tuned. I'm going to get her ass, though.
Hello?
Soon. I'm going to get her soon.
What is it?
Make sure y'all like, subscribe.
Do you not hear me talking?
Don't you see me talking to the vlog?
What is this?
That's Sharpie.
Oh.
But yeah, man. Thanks for watching.